Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mercedes-Benz GLA 45 AMG, and this is by Siku, and I bought this for 349 rupees. Again, I don't remember from which website I bought. It might be Toys India. So those guys have a lot of good cars, but they are way overpriced. But this, I think I bought it from them if I'm not wrong, but I bought it for 349 rupees, not more than that. Okay, let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. So far we unboxed I think 3 Siku cars, and each one looked really beautiful. Okay, so the first impressions of this car, it looks really beautiful. I don't see any paint issues even though it is very old. Wow, that looks really nice. So it has some kind of acrylics for the headlights, so the logo placement is perfect. And the grill details here, you can see the air intakes and everything. It is actually embossed, not just painted on. And okay, the rear lights are actually painted, but I guess I'll just allow it. So they are doing they did everything for just for 349 rupees. It is a really great casting actually. The logo placement and rest of things are really beautiful. So the paint job is really nice. There are no negative things on that one. And as they do have this rear view mirrors, as you can see here. This is unique to the specific car. It is not just molded on. Yeah, you can see here. So this is specific to the specific car, and it looks really awesome. I never actually, apart from Mini GT for the price range, even Major does this rear view mirrors, but every rear view mirror looks exactly the same in every car. So this Siku, actually they did it really nice because each car has different rear view mirrors. Let me show you for example. So as you can see in the Bentley, this looks really different, and you can see it here. And let me show you the first one which we unboxed, which is the Alfa Romeo. So this one is entirely different. This one is molded to the door, as you can see here. And the BMW, this one is entirely different. So I really like this. Okay, this one has actually openable part. The interior details looks really nice. I'm really sorry for the noise, guys. Okay, so the interior detail looks really nice. Well, the windshield, it doesn't have much of a scratches, maybe a little bit here because it's been in the packaging for a long time. The hood details are really nice. Wow, this looks really beautiful. And if you're wondering, the body is actually made of metal and the chassis is plastic, and it has some nice detailing to it, including the exhaust detailing here. And the tires are made of rubber, so the rims are made of plastic. So it's similar to other cars. The rims are actually similar. Only difference is the paint job. So this one is black, I think. The rest of the 3 cars which we unboxed so far had white trims with black tires. So even the spoiler is actually made of metal. So let's do suspension test. No, it doesn't have any suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, let me show you one more thing, guys. So it has this wiper details, and that is really cool. Okay, let's do a roll test now. No, it doesn't roll. It doesn't roll at all. But it will make a great showpiece if you ask me. Both wheels actually have a lot of wheel wobble, especially the rear wheel. As you can see here, it has a lot of wheel wobble, but it looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.